Let's discuss. Find the HCF using Euclid's division lemma. Okay. HCF of two positive integers. Say C and D are positive integers. Here C is greater than D. Follow the steps below. First step, apply Euclid division lemma. We know the Euclid division lemma. C and D are any positive integers. We have to find Q and R such that C equal to DQ plus R. Here R equal to R is greater than or equal to 0 and less than D. Okay. Apply Euclid division lemma. If R equal to 0, in case we get R equal to 0, D is our HCF. Okay. In case R is not equal to 0, continue the process till the remainder is 0. Okay. Let's discuss one example. Find HCF of 25 and 4. Okay. So 4, 6, 24, we get 1. 4 is divided with 1. 1 4s 4. Remainder is 0. Okay. Write in the form of Euclid algorithm. Here C. C is 25. 25 equal to DQ. D is 4. 4 into Q. Q is 6 plus R. We get R 1. Okay. Next. Here see. Here remainder is not equal to 0. So continue the process till remainder is 0. Okay. So next 4 equal to 1 into 4 plus 0. Here we get 0. Okay. So here D is our HCF. Here 1 is our HCF. Okay. Next example. Find the HCF of 135 and 225. Okay. 225 divide with 135. Okay. 1 time 135. We get remainder 90. So 135 by 90. 90 ones 90. Remainder is 45. Okay. This is not 0. So continue the process. 45 twos 90. Here remainder is 0. Okay. Write in the form of Euclid division lemma. Here 225. C equal to DQ plus R. Okay. This is our Euclid division lemma. Here C is 225 equal to D. Here D is 135 and Q is 1 into 1 plus remainder is we get 90. Okay. So next step C. Here C is 135. 135 equal to DQ. Here D is 90 into Q is 1 plus we get remainder 45. Okay. Here C is 90. C is 90 and D is 45. Q is 2 plus 0. Okay. We get remainder 0. So here D is our HCF. Here D is 45. 45 is our HCF of 135 and 225. Okay. Next question. Find the HCF of 196 and 38 220. Okay, so 38,220 is divided with 196. Okay, 196 one time, remaining 382 minus 196, we get 681, 186. 2 is bring down, so 196 9 times, 3 6 4 6 7 1. Okay, 196 into 9, we get 1764. Okay, subtract these two values, we get 8 9, 0 is bring down, we have 980, 196 5 times 980. Okay, this is 0, so it is exact divisible with 196. Okay, we get 0. So write in the form of Euclid division lemma. 38220 equal to D into Q. Here D is 196 into Q. Q is 195 plus remainder is 0. We get remainder is 0. Stop the process. So this is our Euclid division lemma, and here D is our HCF. Okay, 196 is our HCF. Okay, try to solve third question. Find the HCF. Okay.